स्टूडेंट्स, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटियाओं। माई सेल्फ विष्णु samotya, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मेथडोलॉजी, प्रोग्राम फूड एंड बायोटेक्नोलॉजी 9 trimester session rate of the chemical reactions. Now we discuss rate of the chemical reaction. The change in the concentration of reactant or product with respect to time is known as rate of the reaction. It can be defined as the rate of the reaction is equal to change in concentration of a reactant or product with time. So the concentration units are mole per liter and times units are second, minutes and hours. So rate of the reactions is equal to change in concentration upon change in time. For example, in a chemical reaction, A reactant convert to B product. So rate of the reactions are del A reactant upon del T. Del A is equal to change in concentration of A over times periods of del T. Clear? And del B upon del T is equal to del B is equal to change in concentration of B over times period of del T. So reactant are rate of the reactions A and a product are rate of the reactions and B. The positive sign with respect to product and the negative signs are defined with respect to reactant. Clear? So negative sign are defined with respect to reactant and positive sign are defined with respect to product. Clear? The process of a chemical reactions can be represented by following graph. The numbers of molecules and versus times. The increased numbers of molecules, so times are decreases, and the decreases number of molecules are times are increases. A molecule convert to product B and B molecule convert to product A. Clear? So rate is equal to minus del A upon del T and rate is equal to del B upon del T. Reaction mechanism. The overall process of a chemical reactions can be represented at the molecular level by the series of sample elementary steps or elementary reactions. The sequence of elementary steps that leads the product's formation in the reaction mechanism. For example, 2NO plus O2 gaseous molecule are 2NO2. N2O2 is deducted during these reactions. Clear? So the first step are elementary step. NO molecule plus 1 moles NO molecules plus 1 moles NO molecules convert to N2O2. Plus elementary steps, N2O2 react with O2 convert to 2NO2. Overall reactions are balanced. 2NO plus O2 is equal to 2NO2. Clear? The intermediate are species that appears in a reactions mechanism but not its overall balance equation. An intermediate is always formed in a early elementary steps and consumed in a later elementary steps are first NO plus NO2 is equal to NO2. So the overall reactions are 2NO plus O2 is equal to 2NO2. The molecularity of a reactions in the number of molecules reacting in a elementary steps. First elementary steps are unimolecular reactions are elementary steps with one molecules, and bimolecular reactions are elementary steps plus with two molecules, and trimolecular elementary reactions are the elementary steps with three molecules. Clear? The factor affecting rate of the chemical reaction. The factor affecting rate of the chemical reactions are temperature, concentration, pressure, surface area, presence of catalyst. First explanation are temperature. The increases in temperature, so increases in kinetic energy. So kinetic energy are increases, so increases in number of collision, and number of collision increases with number of particles which is greater than requirement amount of activation energy. So more particle react with increases the rate of the reaction. So it increases temperature, so rate of the reactions are increases. Clear? In increases temperature, the rate of the reaction are increases. Next, concentration या pressures. Higher concentration and higher pressure, more particles per unit volume, increases in frequency of collision, so rate of the reactions are increased. The pressure increases, so rate of the reactions are increases. Next, surface area. Increases in surface area, particle size increases in into to others reactants. The increases in probability of the collisions, so increases in rate of the reaction. So surface area are increases, so rate of the reactions are increases. Clear? Next, presence of catalyst. The presence of catalyst speed up rate of the reaction through lowering activation energy needed for reactions to occur.